Good evening, friends. Study with Apala, Parvin Singhch2. Second chapter, the Earth. The fundamental regularities. The most fundamental truth of regularities that have to be explained satisfactorily by any theory on the origin of the Earth as grouped by Har into the following four classes: orbital regularities. It is now well established that 1. All the 9 planets have almost a circular orbit around the Sun. Second, all the planetary orbits lies almost in the same planes. Third, the direction of revolutions for all the planets around the Sun is same. B. Distance regularities of various members of the solar system, as already mentioned, are distributed at a different distance from the sun. There is an order in this arrangement. The regularities can be attributed to any accidental phenomenon. There is a discontinuities in distance, mass, and density between the major planet and the inner planet as observed after mass. This also need satisfactory explanations and differentiations of planet. It has been mentioned above that all the 9 planets can be grouped into 2 classes: visualized terrestrial and major planet. The formation of one set of planets with higher densities and the other set of lower densities is an important feature of the solar system, giving it a characters of a family of planets rather than a random collection of matters around the sun. The distribution of angular momentum. It is a characteristics of body revolving around a central object to have an angular momentum. Numerically, it is given by the relationship capital M. This is formulated. Capital M is equal to small m v r. R in capital. Where m is the angular momentum, as and small m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity, and r is the radius of orbit of the body. In the case of the solar systems, the observed fact is that the sun accounts for less than 2% of the total angular momentum. So for the systems is spite of the fact that it possesses more than 99% of the masses of the systems. Many theories propounded about origin of the solar systems fail to satisfy this single fact. Theories of origins. Scientific literature is full of theories put forward from time to time regarding the origin of the solar systems. Many earlier theories were based on more logic or on incomplete informations about the solar systems, and discarded. Some of them are apparently convincing and interesting. The ideal theory regarding the origin of the solar system will be one that explains all the known truth about the solar systems as a whole in a perfectly satisfactory manner. There is no such theory as yet then may be said to have won universal acceptance. Most of the theories put forward so far explains only a few of the fundamental truth and fail completely or partially to explain the other regularities. We shall give below a brief outlines of 4 different theories having been supported at times by a large number of scientists and objected to be equally large number of thinkers. The last group of theories is presently considered the most plausible possible means one. Okay, at the same time, it may be safely concluded that the problems of origin of the solar systems and hence of the earth also is yet without a final solution. Thank you. Like and support, subscribe it.